DIY kitchen hacks you can't miss, transform your cooking game. Life hack: make the process of filling a frosting bag easier. Easily improve the mess-free frosting experience by utilizing a simple DIY kitchen hack. Fill your frosting bag effortlessly by spooning the frosting into a tall glass, folding the bag over the glass edge, and packing it down with ease. Life hack: opt for a binder clip to keep sponges organized. Keep your kitchen sponge germ-free by using a binder clip as a handy DIY hack. Attach the clip to the side of your sink and slide the sponge's handle loop between the clip handles, ensuring it dries quickly and stays tidy. Life hack: determine egg freshness with a water test. Check the freshness of eggs by placing them in a bowl of cold water. Fresh eggs sink and lie on their side, while slightly older ones sink upright, and if an egg floats, it's no longer fresh due to accumulated air inside the shell. Life hack: invert natural peanut butter for a hassle-free solution. Avoid the mess of stirring thick natural peanut butter by turning the jar upside down for 24 to 48 hours, allowing the oil to redistribute and recombine the peanut butter. Life hack: pre-freeze soft cheese for easier grating. Make grating soft cheeses like mozzarella mess-free by placing the block in the freezer for 30 to 60 minutes, ensuring it hardens and grates smoothly without becoming sticky or clumpy. Life hack: preserve herbs by freezing them in olive oil. Extend the life of fresh herbs by freezing them in olive oil. Rinse and pat dry herbs like parsley, basil, oregano, or rosemary. Place in ice cube trays or muffin tins, cover with olive oil, and freeze for a convenient cooking solution. Life hack: prevent water from boiling over by using a wooden spoon. Avoid messy boilovers effortlessly by placing a wooden spoon over a heating pot, as it absorbs heat and disrupts foam formation, preventing spillage with its natural wood texture. Life hack: opt for grated butter to simplify your baking process. Achieve perfect softened butter for baking by quickly grating it straight from the fridge using a box grater, creating flaky pieces with increased surface area for rapid softening. Life hack: clean cast iron effortlessly by utilizing salt and a potato. Effortlessly clean cast iron by cutting a potato in half, sprinkling salt on the cut side, and using the combination's abrasive texture and potato starch content to gently scrub away stuck-on food without harming the seasoning. Life hack: use vinegar to cleanse strawberries. Efficiently clean fresh strawberries by soaking them in a solution of 1 part vinegar to 3 parts water for 5 to 10 minutes, dissolving and lifting away dirt and residue without compromising the fruit's delicate flavor. Life hack: achieve ideal mousse by incorporating tofu. Create a perfect, light mousse at home by blending a 12-ounce package of silken tofu with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1/3 cup sugar, adding your preferred flavoring such as chocolate or strawberry, and blending until smooth. Life hack: achieve ideal mousse by incorporating tofu. Create a perfect, light mousse at home by blending a 12-ounce package of silken tofu with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1/3 cup sugar, adding your preferred flavoring such as chocolate or strawberry, and blending until smooth. Life hack: clean your blender by blending soapy water inside. Simplify blender cleaning by adding a drop of dish soap and filling the jar halfway with warm water, then blending on high for 30 seconds to whisk away sticky residue from blades and inner sides. Life hack: apply non-stick spray to measuring cups and spoons for easy use. Avoid mess with sticky ingredients by spraying measuring cups and spoons with non-stick spray before use, creating a slick coating that prevents excessive adherence of sugary batters and dense fats. Life hack: keep brown sugar soft by using orange peels or marshmallows. Keep brown sugar soft by adding an orange peel or a few marshmallows to the bag or container, allowing the citrus oils or moisture to naturally prevent it from hardening over time. Life hack: juice lemons and limes effortlessly by microwaving them briefly. Make squeezing lemons and limes easier by microwaving them for 20 seconds on high, as the brief heat blast softens and loosens the juice inside, allowing for easier extraction and increased yield. Life hack: organize your fridge better using a 6-pack bottle holder. Simplify fridge organization by attaching a plastic or cardboard 6-pack bottle holder with magnets to the side, holding and organizing cans, jars, and condiments for easy access and visibility. Life hack: create freezer shelves using magazine holders. Maximize freezer space by using wide magazine holders as horizontal shelves, allowing you to stack items upright and off the floor while ensuring proper air circulation. Which hack did you like? If you know any good hacks, please share it in the comments.